Good evening, students. Shubha Sayantram Chatraha. Today's lesson, it is already I send entire the notes through the Google Classroom. So you might have seen that. Now it is the explanation of that. This is a second section, ninth question beta. Verbs, it is conjugations we can say. Is Dhatu Rupani. Dhatu Rupani verbs. For making any sentence or speaking something, we need vocabulary. What type of vocabulary we need? Nouns, verbs are very important. This is called Karta, Karma, Kriya. So here, in our Sanskrit language, we have three types of dhatus: Parasmayapadi, Atmanepadinaha, Ubayapadinaha. The fruit of the work, Karta, Karma, Kriya. The fruit of the work belongs to others. Enter the verbs under comes Parasmayapadaha. The fruit of the work belongs to us only. That is Atmanepadinaha. Enter the verbs. The fruit of the work belongs to others and our sake. That is Ubayapadinaha. The example, it is Pachati. A cook is cooking food. Other sake. Patate. Ramaha Patate. Rama is reading, preparing for himself. Ramaha Patati ya Parasmayapadi. Acharyaha Patati. The teacher is reading to sake of students. Ubayapadinaha, both. Mother is cooking food. Mata Pachati. Annam Pachati. Shakani Pachati. So this is now Parasmayapadi, Ubayapadi, Atmanepadi. For according to our university, we don't have in our examination only Ubayapadi is not there. That's what just I put here into. Parasmayapadi, Atmanepadi only. So you remember the students, the fruit of the work belongs to others is called Parasmayapadi. The fruit of the work belongs to our sake is Atmanepadi. Both our sake and other sake Ubayapadi. Ubayapadi dhatus are not there. Now you understand that ma? Already I explained nicely in our class. Again it is going on. You consider as a revision, or those who are not attending class and perfectly you didn't have any explanation, just now you can go through that. If you go through this, it is very easy. After my lesson, just you can compare with your textbook how it is. But if you are going through the textbook, it will become very tough for you. So now Parasmayapadi dhatu, now Parasmayapadi, Atmanepadi, both are there. But in our question, that ninth question, we will be getting Parasmayapadi, either the Parasmayapadi or Atmanepadi. This is the 15 marks question, 15 marks paper ma. So the list of the dhatus are here beta, one by one. Bhu, Gam, Drushir and Drushir, Lik, Chur, Pat, Ish, Has, Crow. Already I made you write in your classroom ma. So students, when you are reading this, watching this video or hearing this audio, please you hold your textbook or classwork. Already I made you write in the classroom. So now this is dhatus are, but I in this list how I have given ma, this is the root, this is substitute, this is future. So you have to by heart this one. Bhu, Bhava, Bhavishya. Gam, Gacha, Gamishya. Drushir, Draksha, Drushir, Pasha, Draksha. Lik, Likha, Lekisha. Chur, Choraya, Choraisha. Then Pat, Pata, Patisha. Ish, Icha, Eshisha. Then As, Bhavishya. Kru, Kara, Karisha. So now lakaras. Now have you understand this ma? Parasmaipadi, these many dhatus are there, verbs are there for examination purpose. You have to work out that. Okay. So next one, just now I am how to work out that, how to write in your examination. Just I will explain, ma'am, coming to that. So, and the tenses are there. Lakaras, nama, tenses. Tenses, how many tenses are there? Generally, we have 3 tenses. Lat lakara, lang lakara, lut lakara. Present tense, future tense, past tense. And 2 more tenses are here. That is lot lakara, ling lakara. Lot lakara nama, that is request mode, imperative mode. May I come, teacher? Shall I come, teacher? Can I do teacher? Can I go, teacher? That is request sense. So then ling lakara is order mode. You have to do, that is order mode. These 5 tenses are there. So now next one more Atmanepadi also there. Atmanepadi 4 dhatus are there. Same substitute and root, substitute and future tense. Okay, after completion of these all entire dhatus, 5 lakaras, then we will go to the Atmanepadi. Now, Parasmaipadi, lat lakara. Lat nama, present tense. So, here ma, just you listen. In our English, go is a verb. When you like to make go as an action verb, you are joining ing form. That is going, present tense. Whether it is coming to past tense, gone. Was going, otherwise past continuous. Here ma?
Past tense is went.
Here ma? So, bhu, bhava, bhavishya I wrote here. Why I am giving you, see. So, lat lakara, that ing forms are terminations, or in our Sanskrit term, ting prachayas. Here ma pratama purusha, majjama purusha, uttama purusha. First person, second person, third person, second person, first person. So, here ti, taha, anti, si, taha, ta, ami, avaha, amaha, जा रहा है. That is जा रहा है, जा रहे हो, like Hindi. వెళ్తున్నాడు, ఇద్దరు వెళ్తున్నారు, అందరు వెళ్తున్నారు. In English it is he is going, I am going, both are going, it is common. But Telugu and Hindi it is differs. That is here it is like Telugu and English, but Sanskrit, the Telugu and English it is like Sanskrit only. But Sanskrit is overall, it is it is looking the vision of that. But any all the languages will be. So here, ti, taha, anti, these are the terminations. So asking question, you remember it ma? Entire the question will ask in your examination based on the root with the lakaras. Yeah. So when they are choosing the question bhu, they will ask Vartaman Kala lat, present tense bhu lat. But students, you remember it? When you are making the verb as an action verb, bhu is the verb, bhu nama become. When you are making the verb as action verb, you never make it and you work out with the root, whatever given. This is the difference in your intermediate and degree. Intermediate clearly they will give bhu, bhava, and the bracket they will show that bhavati. But in your degree they don't give. Be careful. So now you take, this is not this is entire the list, it is not there in your guides or textbook or anywhere. This is my own creation for my students. So when you are making the verb as action verb, you supposed to take substitute. What is the substitute to the bhu root? Bhava. So you what you have done for the going, like that. Bhavati, bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti, bhavasi, bhavatah, bhavata, bhavami, bhavavaha, bhavamaha. If you know this entire the list properly in the by hearting way, and if you are perfectly you are knowing and by heart, this is all thing prachayas nama terminations. Titaha anti sitaha ta. It is more than enough. Just you should educate yourself how to make it the verb as action verb, what we supposed to do, either the substitute or a root. Okay, so now when we are going to the gam dhatu, gam bhava, gam lat, gacchati. What is the substitute for the gam? Gacha, gacchati, gachata, gachanti, gachasi, gachata, gachata, gachami, gachava, gachama. My dear students, except that last two you don't do you don't work out that. Remaining all you should write. Once you practice that, it will be in your mind. No need of reading more and more. Okay, ma. This is the lat lakara. Do you understand, ma? So next, any doubts, ma? Just we will. You can ask in the Zoom class, either the Zoom class or in the Google Meet class. Next, lat lakara finish, ma. Now rut lakara. I jump to rut lakara only. Actually, the order it is lat lung past tense, but I jump to rut lakara. Why? Because in English go. When you wants to make as the verb as the action verb in the present tense, go plus ing, going. When it comes to future tense, will be going. Going is as it is, will be you are adding that. Here also same. The terminations are same to future tense and present tense. Sati, taha, anti. So asking question it is bu, rut. Rut is future tense. But what we have to do, ma? But if you work out this, if you make the verb as action verb in the lut lakara, if you take bu bhava, it will be the present, same as present tense. But now you're supposed to take bhavishya. That's what just I made you write here, bhavishya, substitute, future tense. Right, ma? So, bhavishya, bhavishyati, bhavishyatah, bhavishyanti, bhavishyasi, bhavishyatah, bhavishyata, bhavishyami, bhavishyavaha, bhavishyamaha. That's all. It's very easy. When it's come to the gum, what is the substitute for the gum? Gum is the question. Asking question is depends on always rote. Gum, rut. Then gum, what is the substitute for the gum in the future tense? Gamisha, gamishyati, gamishyata, gamishanti. When ish is eshisha, eshishyati, eshishyatah, eshishanti. When it is come to drashir, draksha, drakshati, drakshataha, drakshanti, like that. Now do you understand, ma? Now we are coming to the past tense. The past tense in our English was going. Okay, ma, was. Now it is n, tam, ama. Dear students, you have to bahut this. It must be in your tip of your tongue. So now just I shown that this here, I written here okay, ma. Why? Because you see here. So boo. What I said, when you are making the verb as action verb and ta, the 5 dhatus except the future tense, everything you work out with the substitute only. Asking question only with root. But except lut lakara, you supposed to take all substitute only. What is substitute for the bu? Bhava. What are the terminations here? Bhavat, bhavatam. Then you, according to the Panini rule, grammarian rule, you have to add before the verb. Bhava is a verb. You are adding the in the past tense. And it is the termination or ing form. Abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan, abhavaha, abhavatam, abhavata, abhavam, abhavam, abhavava, abhavama, abhavama. Here abhavat ramaha, abhavat rama went. Abhavatam, both ramas were went. Abhavatam, abhavatan, all ramas were went. Abhavaha, you went. Okay, you have gone otherwise. Abhavatam, you both have gone. Then you all are. Abhavam, aham abhavam, yaha abhavam, yesterday only I went. Okay, ma, abhavava, abhavama. This is the present tense, past tense. Sorry, this is the present tense, future tense, and your past tense. Do you understand, my dear students? Now, I am coming to the lot lakara. The terminations of the lot lakara to the yama, ekavachna, prathama purusha and madhyama purusha, third person and second person. Two will be there. Ekavachna, tu, tam, antu. Tat, tam, ta, ani, ava, Ama. Same as that. Asking question, it is bu. Bu lot. Lot lakara, you have to supposed to take bava. Then bhavatu bhavatat. Bhavatam. Bhavantu. Bhava bhavatat. But here, the Majjhima Purusha, here, the second person, just I didn't write anything here, ma. The only tat is given here. Where, what, which dhatu you are taking, which verb you are taking, bu. As it is, you keep it. Bhava, bhavatam, bhava bhavatat, bhavatam, bhavantu, bhavani, bhavava, bhavama. Is it clear, ma? So next one, ling lakara. Ling lakara. It is according to your textbook, whatever that is given, eat, eatam, you who will be there. But you will put, when the asking question it is in the ling lakara, naturally you students will add bhavayit, bhavayitam. No, bhava, a plus e, it will naturally a. But your mind doesn't work like that much. That's what I put et, etam, eyuhu, eha, etam, eta, eyam, eva, ema. So these are the terminations for the long lot lakara. Lot lakara. Now, so yeah, bhavet, bu, bhava, bu is the question, ma. Bu, ling lakara, bhavet, bhavetam, bhaveyuhu, bhaveha, bhavetam, bhaveta, bhaveyam, bhaveva, bhavema. When it is come to gam, ling lakara, what is the substitute? Gacha, gachet, gachetam, gacheyuhu, gacheha, gachetam, gacheta, gacheyam, gacheva, gachema. And drushir also, what is the substitute for drushir? Pashya, pashet, pashetam, pasheyuhu, pashyeha, pashyetam, pacheta, pashyeyam, pashyeva, pashyema. That's all. Okay, ma. Now the panchalakaras are there, ma. Please, students, you work out. So then, kruas dhatus clearly I have given, but it is a little differs, ma. So same terminations only, it is little differs. I separately have given in that lat, lang, rut. You forgot about that lot lakara and ling lakara. That three you read. When I am coming that, just I will explain, ma. Now we are coming to Atmanepadi. Students, be careful. If you are, for examination purpose, Parasmayapadi dhatus you are learning, you are preparing, it's enough. Okay, ma. But it must be, you don't leave any verb. But the entire, whatever the list of the verbs, 8 or 9, perfectly with panchalakaras, 5 lakaras, present tense, past tense, future tense, imperative mode, potential mode, you should perfect you work practice that. So then Atmanepadi, but you, in Atmanepadi also, we have 5 lakaras, lat lakara, lang lakara, lot lakara, ling lakara, lut lakara. But if we asking question, it is on the lak, but how many dhatus are there? Only 4 beta. It is very easy. Lab dhatu, mod dhatu, bhasha dhatu, vandha. Lab nama, lab it is gain. We can labhamo. Moda is pleasure, rejoice. Bhasha nama to speak. Vanda nama to salute or praise. So these are the Atmanepadi. If you want to leave and you don't write, so you have to, please, you have to remember that these are the Atmanepadi dhatus. But it is different. The terminations, entire the terminations are different. Okay, ma, that's what, just you can leave it. If he is asking question is laba, lat lakara, if you write labate, labataha, labante, entire the question is wrong. It goes wrong. But when you are, there's a better way, when you are finding this 4 dhatus, first you leave. But first you write whatever the Atmane Parasmayapadi dhatu is given in the question paper, you, for sufficient marks, first you write that. If you want to write extra, you can take this. Okay. So now, terminations of the lat lakara in the Atmanepadi, te, ete, ante, se, ete, dve, avahe, ame, avahe, amahe. So lab dhatu, same role. But asking question, it depends on the root. But when you are making the verb as action verb, you are supposed to take substitute. That is laba. What is the substitute? Laba only. लभते लभेते लभन्ते लभसे लभेते लभद्वे लभे लभ्यावहे लभामहे. Do you understand, ma? So same applicable to the this modu dhatu. Mod and mrudu. Modate mrudu dhatu, it is moda. Modate modete modante modase modete modadve mode modavahe modamahe. Vanda is also vandate vandete vandante as such. Next it is future tense, but wantedly I am giving future tense immediately. Future tense also, future tense same verb, same lakaras, sorry, same lakaras. Ete ete ante, ste ete ante, se ethe tve, e avahe amahe. So same role. So the already I have given the another paper, it is there. The lab future tense is lapsya. Lab root lakara, if it is given lapsyate, lapsyete, lapsyante, lapsyase, lapsyete, lapsyadve, lapsye, lapsyavahe, lapsyamahe. Okay, then next students, is it clear, ma? So when it is come to vanda, vanda also like that, vandishyate, vandishyete, vandishyante, that's all. Okay, ma, that what is the future tense? That only you supposed to write. So mududatu modishyate. Okay, here then lang lakara also I have given here beta. It is, but it is a little confusion. But this only 3 only I have given. 3 only you read. If you want to read Atmanepadi, you don't want to leave even the choice question in your question paper, you can try. That's good. So this is but remaining 2 you don't read, ma. It is a confusion for you. But the A matra will come in the Parasmepadi only for the ling lakara, bhavet, bhavetam. That also immediately on the up last letter of the dhatu. But here labate, it will start with termination. Ete, ante, 2 we are getting labate, labete, labante, like that. Okay, so you find the difference, ma. So next one, this is past tense. Ta, etam, anta, taha, tam, dvam, then e, avahi, amahi, ya, avahe, ya, amahi. So same rule it is. Lab is in the lat lakara. Now what is the substitute? Lab only. Lab laba. Vanda vanda. Moda moda only. It is mrud only moda. So here lab. Same. Alabat, alabatam, alabanta, alabataha, alabatam, alabadvam, alabhe, alabavahi, alabamahi. That's all. Vanda also same. Avandata, avandetam, avandetam, avandanta, avandeta, avandataha, avandatam, avandatam, avandadvam, avandavahi, avandamahi. That's all, my dear students. Okay, now I am showing that in the computer. No, just it is. Next one. Next, now do you understand the Atmanepadi, Parasmepadi? Students, first you learn and practice Parasmepadi. Then, first if you have any doubt, you go through the audio. Okay, then you already I made you write and I make you work out perfectly with the entire the dhatus that is there in your classwork. You open it, once you go through that. Next, I will give that this is only the assignment for you. So next one, now we are going to as dhatu beta. Yes, kru dhatu. As the next one, kru dhatu. So kru dhatu, please students, mati terminations are same only. Kru lat, ti, taha, anti, karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti, karoshi, kurutaha, kuruta, karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha. Then future tense, karishyati, karishyataha, karishyanti, karishyasi, karishyataha, karishyata, karishyami, karishyava, karishyama. Past tense. But these 3 only you read. Remaining you leave it. Akarot, akarutam, akurvan, akaroha, akurutam, akuruta, akaravam, akurva, akurma. Here also karotu, kurutat, kurutam, kurvantu, kurutat, kurutam, kuruta, karavani, karavava, karavama. Would you like to practice? Practice, but you don't confuse. Kuryat, kuryatam, kuryuhu, ling lakara. Kuryaha, kuryatam, kuryatam, kuryata. Kuryama, kuryava, kuryama. That's all for the krudatavona. Now, just you have to by heart that. Next one, next it is asdatu. Whether you know. Next asdatu beta. Asnama is. This kru and as are very important beta. Yeah, asti. T same. Asti. Rama is here. Rama atra asti. Ramo asta. Ramo asti staha. Sant. Sorry, this is karoti. Krudatu only same. Okay, I'll going back. Now I'll catch this astatu. No, this is kru only. Wait, beta. So it might be yes. Yes. Asti staha santi. Ramaha asti. Rama is here. Ramaha staha. Ramau staha. Both Ramas are here. Rama, Ramaha santi. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Alage tvam, you. Tvam, asi. Tvam atra asi. You are here. Then you aham yuvam yuyam. Sorry. Tvam yuvam yuyam. Yuvam atra sta. You both are here. You all are here. Yuvam yuyam. Next aham asmi. Aham atra eva asmi. Nenu ikkade unnanu. I am here only. Asmi. Smaha swaha. This is aham avam vayam. I, we both, we all. Okay. So this is the future tense. Same budhatu. Bhavishyati, bhavishyatah, bhavishyanti. But if it is giving in the question, as question in the question paper, as rut lakara, it is very easy. Don't get confused. Budhatu only. Bhavishyati, bhavishyatah. You can budhatu bhavishya. Bul rut lakara bhavishyati. Aslut lakara also bhavishyati. Next, past tense. Asit, astam, asan, asihi, astam, asta. Asam, asva, asma, asit, Ramaha, atra asit, Rama was, yeah, Rama was. Understand na? So this is and do are very important dhatus, and these two you can leave it ma. This it is make you at a confusion. If you are perfect with that krudhatu, asdhatu with these three, and remaining all with 5 lakaras, it is more than enough. Okay, so this is next one more paper I am going to show it. So that is this is a clear explanation in your textbook. You can go through that. What I said, my yitam is atmanepadi, parasmepadi. This is atmanepadi. The future tense syati, syataha, syanti. Bu. If as question it is given bu rut busyati. If you write that, but it is wrong. Bhavishyati, bhavishyatah, bhavishyati. You can go through your textbook also. Understand ma? So students, now your work is perfectly you are by hearting the entire this list. Bhuvava bhavishya gam gacha gamisha. This one. Bhuvava bhavishya gam gacha gamisha. Drushar pashya draksha. Lik lika lekisha. Chur choraya choraisha. Next one. Pat pata patisha. Ish icha eshisha. As bhavishya. Kru kara karisha. It must be tip of your tongue. This is already meanings I have written here, but blue pen only ma. Just I search in the market, black pen I didn't get it. That's what, sorry. So then I will try to type it also afterwards, but when examination purpose I'll do it ma. Already I did it nicely in your classroom. That's what, just I am not typing it ma. So next these terminations. Lat lakarati tahanti sita tam yavahamaha. Making the verb as action verb. taking the substitute, not working with the root. Root is the asking question only along with the terminations, along with the lakaras. So next, lut lakara, same terminations, titaha, anti, sitaha, ta only. But what is the difference? Lat lakara, we are taking substitute only. We are working out with substitute. And lut lakara, we are taking only bhavishya. That is a future time, future form it is. Okay, so this is the terminations also, these ing forms you have to by heart. And past tense, ta, tam, na, ha, tam, ta, ava, ama. What we have to write extra? Abhavat, abhavatam. Here also you supposed to take substitute only for making the verb as action verb. Here, lot lagara, tu, tam, tu, tat, tam, antu, tam, tat, ta, tam, tat, ta, tu, tam, tu, tat, tam, aniyava ama. So same bhavatu bhavatad bhavatam bhavantu. Here also substitute only you take. Here lot lakara et etam yeyuhu yeha etam eta eyam yeva ema. So bu ling lakara bhavet bhavetam bhavetam bhaveyuhu. Same bhava substitute only you are taking. Chatraha samyak avagantam kalu. So now just I am going to end this lesson explanation then after 2 days, then tomorrow I will put that samasas, that is all entire, that print docs I will put it so that explanation also I will give for next day after tomorrow's lesson. After that I will start entire that I will start with the grammar only assignment work. And where you have to write, how to write, how it will go, everything I will explain. Priya Chatraha, Shubha Ratri, Punar Milamaha, Shvaha.